Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. We'll be exploring the names of some of the most common power tools in English, complete with pictures to help you identify each one. So, grab your safety gear and get ready to expand your tool knowledge. Let's get started. Drill. Drill. Impact driver. Impact driver. Circular saw. Circular saw. Jigsaw. Jigsaw. Reciprocating saw. Reciprocating saw. Angle grinder. Angle grinder. Orbital sander. Orbital sander. Belt sander. Belt sander. Router. Router. Planer. Planer. Heat gun. Heat gun. Nail gun. Nail gun. Rotary tool. Rotary tool. Miter saw. Miter saw. Table saw. Table saw. Band saw. Band saw. Tile cutter. Tile cutter. Power screwdriver. Power screwdriver. Power washer. Power washer. Electric mixer. Electric mixer. Concrete vibrator. Concrete vibrator. Cordless drill. Cordless drill. Cordless screwdriver. Cordless screwdriver. Air compressor. Air compressor. Electric chainsaw. Electric chainsaw. Paint sprayer. Paint sprayer. Dry vacuum. Dry vacuum. Jackhammer. Jackhammer. Electric sander. Electric sander. Tile saw. Tile saw. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Keep exploring and stay safe while using your power tools.